For framing, you will need our frame, obviously, and the photo of correct size, scissors or screwdriver, some tape. Now first turn the frame and open the black holders with scissors or screwdriver. Then remove the back cover. If the frame has a mount, then remove that too, like this. Then turn the photo and apply tape at its back. Then paste it carefully on the back of the mount. Secure the mount back to the frame and then the back cover. After that, press and lock the black holders. And that's it. You've officially installed a photo in the frame all by yourself.